Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Gotify on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll be ready to get started with it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, install Docker and enable the servers at boot using this following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, create a folder and navigate into it. Inside the folder, create a Docker configuration file and pass the following code. Change the password to whatever you like. Next, start the container and open your web browser. Use your server IP with port 8080. Log in and you can start working with it. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.